Okay, this is nothing special. This is a audio test basically. I just bought a new um, microphone, and this is my old one that I'm using now. And I know this one does come in pretty clear, and but this is just my regular headset, and it's kind of falling apart. And got the speaker like kind of like dangling, and and these types of things. So I figured it was time for a change. So this is my old headset, and I'm going to switch to what I just got in the mail today, thanks to Jason revealing this to me, and I was intrigued by all the reviews that this specific hands-free mic got, and it's called the Blue Yeti. So I'm going to go ahead and do a switch, and we're going to see the differences, so bear with me. Testing 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 1 1 1 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 la 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 la. Well, that's basically it. So go ahead, let me know what you think. I probably got to do a little more tweaking here and there, but I think overall it sounds pretty good. This is what I'm gonna be doing my videos on, and um, I hope everything comes in a little more clear than it has previously. Again, I'm kind of new to this whole, messing with the gain and figuring out what thing is what works best for me or whatever. But um, I think this is gonna go very well. Um, it's not too often that I get to make a weird testing video to see how something works. So this is kind of entertaining. I hope you got a little bit of a laugh out of it. So, but all right. Hopefully, within the next couple days, I will be making my first video on my new mic. Let me know what you guys think. Does this sound clear? Does this sound worse? Or just let me know. Talk to you later. God bless.